Okay, so folks, we are back again with another one of those deals videos. In case you are in the market for one of the upcoming foldables, right? So whether it be the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 that we have here, or the Z Flip 4 that we have here, I want to go ahead and show you how you can get these at a heavily discounted price. Now, it will work better if you are going for the Z Flip 4. That's why the title of this video is specifically to the Z Flip 4. But you can also apply this to the Z Fold 4. It's just that it costs a lot more money, so you won't get, it won't feel as if you're getting that much of a discount. But anyway, so if you want to go ahead and buy this, if you wanted to purchase this outright, it would cost you about $1,100, assuming you were to go for the unlocked version and you want, let's say you wanted a black one and you wanted to buy the 256 gigs version here. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and make sure that you find the Galaxy Z Flip 3 model on eBay at a discounted price like I do here. I went ahead and simply search for that, and if you see here, by the way, the deal changed, right? If you had placed an order for the Z Fold or the Z Flip 4 when we were pre-ordering a few days ago, you would have been taking advantage of that extra $200 that they were offering. But now, so not only the extra $200, but if you were trading in a Z Flip 3 at the time, you would have been getting $900, but it looks like now it went down to $800, and that is for the 256 gigs model. Now, no worries, the 256 gigs model, I believe, is an extra like $30 off of eBay, right? So if you were to buy this one, it would, the 128 gigs will be $359. If you want to go for the 256, this guy here will be $279, so an extra $20. So not a big deal there, right? And that's essentially what you need to do, right? So you need to come over here, select your phone. Let's say you want to go ahead and lock. Let's see, you want to pick out one of these custom colors that, let's say this one right here. Well, I like this one. Pick this one. Actually, you know what? Let's just go with a standard, because once you pick that, it goes up a little. So let's just go with a regular black one, right? So $99, as you can see at the top there, and we get the upgrade $60 off. So we save $60 as opposed to paying the $150 for the 256 gigs. Want to go ahead and say yes for the trade-in. Want to pick the brand, want Samsung, and remember, like I said, as long as you're trading in a Samsung device, you will always get, a ton of credit, trade-in credit from Samsung anytime you bring anything else. So don't even waste your time trying to figure out what value you're gonna get with these, unless of course you own one of these and you wanted to trade that in. But if you don't own any of these and you need to try to buy one that you're gonna trade in, make sure that you buy a Samsung phone. So I wanna go ahead and select the device here. Now, I've played around with these. I've tried the S22 Ultra, the Fold 3 and all that. The one that offers you the best bang for your buck would be the Z Flip 3 here at 256 gigs, and the trade-in value that you get is going to be $800, and you can see it's going to be taken off of it. Once we hit yes, it's going to bump us up to $199. If you look closely here, say yes, and now we are at $199. Now you're going to get an extra gift here. That's going to be the case for your phone. Let's go ahead and pick, don't know, let's go ahead and stick with black here. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and update that. And at the bottom here, you will see what trade-in values you are being offered. So you get that $60 off on Samsung, and then you get an $800 off of the $1,059 that it would have cost, and it will end up costing you $199. Of course, that's how much you're paying to Samsung. That does not include the $379 that you'll be using to purchase one off of eBay that you're going to send there, as you can see. And I'm sure if you keep tracking eBay, you may be able to find something lower than this. But so far, this is just a quick search. I literally just typed that in, and you can see it's 1, 2, 3 is the third one down, right? So I'm pretty sure if you keep going down, you might be able to find something, cheaper, but we don't have time to do that. Just for the purpose of this video, we're going to click on that one, assuming this is going to be the one that we're going to be buying. It's going to be free shipping. All right, let's go back to the Samsung website here. You also have this. You get 4 free months of YouTube Premium, and that's a $48 value, so $47.96 value. That is pretty neat. Now, I personally don't really use Spotify like that, so I have a ton of these free ones because I buy devices off of Samsung all the time, so I get these a lot. you get the radio, Sirius XM, you get the 6 months free of 100 gigs of OneDrive. These are things that you should always factor in on top of the trade-in credits that you get from Samsung. And so I think that's pretty neat. But anyway, so we move forward here. Now, like I said, if you had pre-ordered last week or a few days ago, like we did, then you would have been offered a minimum of $100. And then if you wanted to pick out one of these watches, it would have gone up to $200, right? So you would have gotten $200 to apply on one of these deals. It looks like you don't have that now. The only thing you have here is you'll still get the percentage off, right? So you get 30% off if you were to go for this bundle, 30% off for this bundle, 20 if you wanted just the headphone, the earpiece, the earphones there, or the earbuds. Same with this watch right here, and the rest of the watch. Now 25% off if you wanted to go ahead and pick the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, and the same goes for the rest of them here. So, and you can obviously just move forward if you want to go ahead and narrow it down to specific categories and see what types of deals you will be getting. And keep in mind, of course, that these are not available. Let's say if you wanted to just go ahead and buy the, let's pick out this right for, well, not that one. Let's pick out this one right here. Let's say if you wanted to go ahead and just buy the tablet, it wouldn't be a 25% off. It would be the regular price as of today. So definitely something to keep in mind. The other thing also is normally, because I'm signed out here, it doesn't say, but here you would also get an additional discount. Let's say if you are a student, you get a like education discount. If you are first responder, then you can go ahead and also get a discount because of that. That could be an additional like 30 to let's say $90 off. And let's just say worst case scenario is $220 plus this, so that would be what, $600. So you'd be paying $600, and with that $600 you are going to get the Z Flip 4, you are going to get the free case, and you are going to get the YouTube and all that good stuff for free, and then the opportunity to spend, you know, the opportunity to buy the Galaxy Watch 5, the other stuff, the new earbuds and all that good stuff at discounted price if you are interested. Obviously, if you already own the phone, then there's no need for you to do the eBay. You could just go ahead and trade that in, and you should be able to take advantage of this. Now, this is the reason why I always emphasize that when I make a pre-order video and the link and all that stuff, if you're interested in it, you got to make sure that you jump on it right away. Otherwise, the deals become just slimmer as time goes by. And like I said, you can also apply that same logic, jumping through the hoops. You could apply that here with the Z Fold 4, and it would still be $800 off. So you should be paying roughly $1,000 and some change, and you get free S Pen here along with the case and the other deals, to the offer to buy the Galaxy Watch 5 and so forth. But anyway, that's all I had to share with you all today. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know in the comment section. I'm going to catch you in the comment section. I'm also going to catch you in the next video like I always do. Up until that next video, of course, as always, stay safe out there.